Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we draw a circle using 3 points in AutoCAD. For that, you have to click on this home, followed by this little arrow below the circle, and then you have to select the 3 point. Just after clicking on that, this command will be activated. Now here you can see it's written specify center point of the circle. So let's select the center point. After clicking on the center point, then you can move your cursor or you can type whatever the distance that you want to keep. For example, I'm writing here 10. So the line that you have created right now is the diameter of your circle. Now if you want to make a circle larger than the current one, then you can move upside or downside. Whatever direction you want to keep, you just give the direction to it and write the number. Let's suppose I'm writing here 13. This is the circle made by 3 points. What are the steps? Select 3 point, first point, second point, and the third point will be in upper direction or downward direction. Okay, so you can see this yellow dotted line is the chord of the circle. Okay, this is the chord of your circle. So this way you can create a circle using 3 points. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.